Hi guys! What's up? Good day sa inyo lahat. Ngayon nga pala, basketballista naman tayo. Guys, ito nga pala yung aming game highlights dito sa St. Vincent sa Tabeque, Quinto, Bulacan. Let's go! Gang, gang!
First high is good. Oras natin 6 minutes and 45. Second high is over. De La Cruz naghahanap na baba sa ating nasa number 5. Tumira, foul. Number 1, Tansi. Pass to number 14. Then to shoot. Pass to number 20. De La Cruz, Tumira, no good. Nariwani, number 5. Ano na kayo mo? Nariwani. Number 5, pass to number 23. Number 23, pass over. Then to shoot. Tumira ng press. No good. Good back in every. Wala pa na number 5. Tumira, good. Number 91, pass to number 10. Nawala. Team number 8, pass to number 10. Nawala. Team number 8, pass to 23. Winging a slate, pass to number 1. Pass to number 5, Jose Tumira. Wala. Nariwani number 28. Pass to the play, pass to number 1. 15 to shoot. Number 1, cross number 2, takes Tumira, good ball, cross number 2, takes Tumira, good ball, Tumira, number 23, Tumira, number 1, pinasa na number 23, pass to number 5, Tumira, number 23, pass to number 5, Tumira. Number 23, pass to number 91, back to number 15 to shoot. Number 23, cross cover. Number 23, 10 to shoot. Number 5, number 23, is no good. 6 seconds.